Feels really weird without you, bro.
My eyeballs hurt now. Oh my god.
I want to do something stupid.
This can go into the bloopers.
Oh shit, I'm putting all the trash in here. Don't touch everything. Okay.
Salt and olive oil and cook them until
Salt's
they're
taste.
almost burnt.
So yeah, I'll be like, but I want to help you.
Blend them up. Those dang onions, man. My eyeballs.
Wait for it.
Wait for it, Squidward.
A giant mess, a giant mess.
That's me on a day when I don't eat good and then I poop it all out.
Shit flying everywhere. Oh, I made a mess. Salsa is one of the food groups.
It's pretty freaking dank.
Now we're gonna do something crazy like jump off the roof into the swimming pool because that's what all the cool kids on YouTube do. I don't watch YouTube.
I have some Oreo. I took the filling out.
She's stuffing her face with Oreos right now.
Oh no!
If I say chunky, I get chunky. We don't get points for neatness always.
No.
The way that video editor works, it's like a pain in the ass. I have it in my head. Grind it up.
Grinded it. A little bit more. I didn't do
No!
I didn't do anything.
You sure did.
One more time.
Nope. This is what I'm going with, and I'm shaking the freaking table. The consistency that we ground this up to.
I think I'm stupid.
It's alright, I still love you.
Okay.
Okay, alright.
And boiling water.
It's not boiling anymore.
Here is our gallon of salsa put into jars. All of our salsa is in our jars, and it's about
blah, blah, blah.
a
So all of our
gallon.
salsa is in our jars. No shit. Should go down if you put it in the refrigerator. Let it cool though, at least 6 hours. And you can put it in the refrigerator, but I wouldn't recommend. It's
We
all
just
the.
started, so I wouldn't recommend. So.
Yes, we have to start all over again because you insist on
You were
ladling
doing it
everything.
too.
I was doing this. Is everybody stealing? Shit. I mentioned in the beginning of the video that we were going to add the salsa at the end before we jarred it, and guess what we forgot? I'm
That's
sorry.
cilantro.
Yeah, that's great. They look all nice and filed in there. How nice. And she's eating chips off the floor. What? Stop. When I do stuff, just leave it alone. It's already good. Please.